Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect your Trust Wallet to the Compound app. Most recently, if you guys haven't heard, Apple actually banned the dApps browser from Trust Wallet. I'm sure a lot of people know it if they use Trust Wallet on a daily basis, but we're not actually able to access the dApps anymore directly in Trust Wallet. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect your Trust Wallet directly to Compound so you guys are able to continue on doing what you were doing before the ban. I'd just like to let everyone know as well, I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials on my channel. So if you guys are interested in the cryptocurrencies and you want to learn more on how to buy, how to sell, and lots more, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel as I'll have lots of content coming out into the future. Anyhow, this is exactly how you're going to connect your Trust Wallet to Compound. I'll have a link in the description as well as in the comment section to the Compound application. So you want to go ahead and click on that so you're able to go directly to the application. But once you're in the application here, I highly recommend, if you're going to be using Compound a lot, to add this to your home screen. So it's like an app rather than just going into the browser, just because there's a lot of scams out there nowadays. You want to make sure that you're connecting your wallet to the actual application and not some fake spam website. So once you're on the actual website here, to add it to your home screen, you just want to go to the bottom of the screen where you see the little share icon, click on that, scroll down, and you'll see add to home screen. So you just click on that, and then you'll be able to add Compound to your home screen by clicking on add. And then you're able to go directly into the application just like this. Very easy, and go directly to the website. Makes the life a lot easier. Anyhow, once you're on the website, to connect to your wallet, you just want to click on Connect Wallet at the top of the screen. That's going to ask you, how do you want to connect your wallet? You want to click on Wallet Connect, and then Trust Wallet. Once you do that, it's going to pop open this here. Just take a second. There we go. So it's going to ask you to confirm this. It's just letting you know that Compound wants to connect to your wallet. So if you're okay with that, click on Connect. And then it'll tell you that you have to go back to your browser. So we just head back over to our browser. And then we'll know we're fully connected here when we see our Compound balance in the top right corner of the screen. And if you click on that here, it'll give you a more brief view of your balance. So you'll know this here when you see balance that your wallet is connected and you're able to go along and use the application like you were before the ban. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to access the Compound application after the ban with Trust Wallet. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.